Welcome to my channel. mywifiext.net default login. 1. Connect your range extender to your computer with an Ethernet cable. 2. Launch a web browser on your computer. 3. Type http://mywifiext.net into your web browser's address bar. 4. Press enter or click search, the login page displays. 5. Enter the username and password that you chose during setup. Note, the default username is admin and the default password is password. The username and password are case sensitive. Six. Click Login. 7. Select Setup Wireless Settings. 8. Under Security Options, verify that the value in the password, network key, field matches your router password. If the password does not match, change it to your router password. 9. Click Apply. 10. Reconnect your Wi-Fi devices to the extender. Thank you for watching.